Hey Bible traders, my name is Dash and I've been a lifetime member of BBD since November 2019. First of all, thank you so much for recognizing my Roku trade as trade of the week. It really means a lot to me coming from you guys. I wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to Andrew, Brian, Mike, John, Carlos, Norm, especially for the pre-market show. It really helps a lot. And everyone in the BBT community who have directly or indirectly helped me in my trading journey. Um, I want to take this opportunity to tell you guys about my trading journey and how BBT has been the key to me becoming a successful trader. So I started trading sometime around 2018, before the big December 2018 crash. Not as big as the current pandemic one, but back then I still remember I bought my first, not my first, but I bought a couple of stocks, made some good amount of money just because my friends told me to buy certain stocks. And then I took a trade on MU, and then in December the market dropped and my portfolio was down almost 50%, and I got scared. Um, and I didn't know what I was doing back then, so I cut my losses and I stopped trading. And I decided that I need to learn everything about trading before I put any more money into it. So that's when I started watching a lot of YouTube videos and reading a lot of material online. And the issue was every YouTube video I would see would be from some famous trader trying to explain how easy it is to make money with trading. And for some reason, I just never believed that if it was that easy, everyone should have been rich. And then I run into Andrew's channel. I watch his videos, and in one of his videos, he says that trading isn't for everyone. If you can't do it, accept it and try something else. That is something that you don't hear usually from a successful trader. And that statement really hit me. So I thought maybe give this guy a chance, right? He definitely seemed genuine. So I went ahead and bought his book and started reading it, and I took my time with it and I loved it. I got a simulation account with Thinkorswim, and then I started practicing those strategies, and I was surprised to see how accurate the strategies were. Obviously, I still needed a lot more practice. I knew it back then, but it was just amazing to see that trading is all about the technicalities. It's it's a science as well as it's an art. Um, so after after getting the sim account as well as the book and everything, I still thought that I'm missing something, and it was probably time for me to join the community. And finally, in November of 2019 is when I pulled the plug. Now, paying $1,500 for a membership is something that I thought it may. I am not sure should I do it or not, because I come from a lower middle class family. If you're paying 1,500 for anything, I have to think probably 1,500 times to do that. But once I did it in November 2019, I think that was the best decision of my life. The chat room has been amazing. The videos, the webinars, the psychology videos, it's just been amazing. It's been truly helpful. It has helped me grow as a trader over the period of time. Um, and then the issue was I could only join the chat room for about an hour in the morning. I'm based out of California, and I have to go to work around 8, so I could only join from like 6:30 to 7:30. But even that 1 hour of the chat room experience of listening to Carlos, Andrew, Norm, Brian, it just sticks with you. You grow as a trader because of just listening to these guys. They're experts in what they do. They've been doing this for a really long time, and it's just amazing. I still remember a few things that Andrew keeps repeating. He used to say that you shouldn't copy my trades, think of your own trades. And for that, what I would do is once market opens, I would usually put the chat room on mute and think of my own trades and then compare with other people. The one statement that really sticks with me, right, even till now, and I think I'll take it with me till I grow old, I guess, is that profits are a byproduct of good trading. You can't beat that. It's just the best statement, and I think it should be put on a shirt or put on a big poster and printed out. The chat room was definitely addictive. I would wake up every day at 5:15 in the morning and make sure that I don't miss a single minute of the pre-market show, and even after that. It's the one thing that I learned with trading is that it's not overnight success. You have to put in the efforts. You have to put in the same amount of efforts as you would towards a new business of yours. It needs a lot of effort and attention, and it'll take time. But you, with persistence and consistency, you will get there if you put in the efforts. And fast forward to now, I'm a successful trader who can quit his job. I'm no longer dependent on my job. I'm a profitable trader now. It's been almost more than a year or more than 2 years now that I've been trading. But aside from the money aspect of it, the best thing that the community or that I've learned from Andrew is that with this skill, now I have the confidence to be independent, to do anything that I want from anywhere that I want. I can do trading even while traveling. I think that you can't put a price to that. It's just amazing. A huge shout out to the BBT community. Andrew, again, thank you so much for making this community and making it as it is right now. And hopefully one day I'll be part of Peak Capital Trading. Thank you.